One great thing about a stand mixer is all the attachments that go along with it. So a lot of these stand mixers have a hub on here that you can put slicers, shredders, grinders, all that fun stuff. We're going to look at a couple different attachments that are alternative to this brand that work on this stand mixer. We're going to test them out, and we are even going to give away one. So today we're going to be using the Gvode's slicer shredder attachment that fits on KitchenAid stand mixers. And we have two of them. So we're going to be trying this one out today, and we're going to be giving this one away. So join me. Let's check out this slicer shredder from Gvode. So the very nice people at Gvode sent over a couple of their attachments that work on the KitchenAid stand mixer. These are great because they expand your use of the mixer. So we're going to be looking today at their slicer shredder. This is great because I love to make zucchini bread, and you can shred your zucchini using this. You can shred cheese, you can slice your zucchini, you can shred carrots, all that fun stuff. They were so nice as to send over two of these. So we are going to try this baby out. You're going to be able to see how it works, and we're going to be giving one away. So I just want to thank Gvode for sending over these attachments. We're going to be also trying out their pasta set as well as their meat grinder. And they've also sent over samples of those for me to give away one of those as well. So after we're done testing this out, I will tell you how to give in on the giveaway. We're going to be announcing the winner of this slicer shredder on What's Up Wednesday this week, so we can get out to the winner for Christmas. So let me move this mixer over, and let's take a look at this slicer shredder. So this is the Gvode slicer shredder. I'll put links down in the description for these if you want to take a look at them. One interesting thing about these, I thought, is they're a little less expensive than the traditional KitchenAid attachments. They're a great alternative if you want one of these attachments, but you want a really good price. So links will be down in the description for that. So here is our slicer shredder, and it's designed for all KitchenAid household stand mixers. It works on this hub of the mixer. It includes your housing, your slicer, two different shredding blades, a coarse and a fine, as well as your pusher. So let's take a look at how this looks. And they have your email address if you have any questions about that. And we're going to get a little instruction. Cool. So safeguards, also tells you the parts and says how to set it up. And well, these are nice looking. So here is your slicing disc. Sweet. Here is your shredding disc. Here is your large coarse shredder, and here's your fine shredder. Gives you a little brush here to clean it out. Little cleaning brush, sweet. And here is our slicer shredder. This is pretty cool. Comes with a pusher. One of the things I can tell you first off, if you looked at our HO6 video last week where I was using the KitchenAid version of this, theirs has a channel in here, and when I was using it, I kept pushing this in here and not getting it in that channel. So, I mean, it was a bear for me. So this doesn't have this. It does have the shape that it goes in, but I really thought that that channel on it was kind of clunky. So this is where it goes into your mixer, and this is where our blades are going to go in. And it has a little box that you can store them in. So here is our hub on our stand mixer. This is a KitchenAid Artisan, but it works on all these KitchenAids with a hub. Here is our slicer shredder. So we're going to go ahead and put this into the hub, just like that. You're going to screw this little screw back onto here. Sweet. We're going to put a shredder in here. This is the big shredder. We're going to put the shredder in here. There's a little lever right here. You just lock it down in there. You just lift this here, put the shredder in and lock it down in there. Plug this baby in. Sweet.
Ooh.
And here's your pusher. Sweet. So let me wash this up. You want to hand wash this, obviously. And let me get some ingredients. I want to make some zucchini bread. Actually, when we did that slicing the other day, I used that to make zucchini fritters. They were so good. But this time I'm going to make zucchini bread, and we're going to shred up Eric some cheese. Yeah. So let me wash this up, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're all washed up, so let's put this on here. I think because we're doing zucchini, I'm going to do a little coarse shredding first, and then we'll do some slicing. So, we got our shredder on here. Let's rock and roll. You guys ready? Shred it, shred it, shred it. Shred it. I think I better turn this up. Woo! Sweet!
That's Zucchini Bread.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
It's on.
Perfect! I think I was doing it too fast on the last one. Sweet! Nice. Nice. It works really good. We're gonna have some zucchini bread. I'll do another half of one. Sweet. That was awesome. So we're just going to take this off of here. Sweet. Just have a little bit inside here.
Yeah, you don't want to cut your fingers in there.
Yeah, not wanting to do that. So here we go.
Hey.
That was awesome.
Hey.
That did a great job. Look at that.
Yeah.
Here's our shredded zucchini.
Hey.
Yeah. Did a great job. There wasn't any pieces left over, really?
No.
Nice.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Yeah.
Okay, now let me put this in a Ziploc and then we'll do the slicing. So now we have the slicing blade. The slicing blade. Sweet. Okay. Hey! Awesome. I love just basic sauteed zucchini. And this is definitely faster than having to sit here and cut it by hand.
Well, it's a lot more even.
Yeah, and it's a lot more
You
even.
got chunks.
Sweet. I like it. Make little zucchini chips with this or saute them. So you can put them in a stir fry. You can just saute them like this. You can bread them and make little zucchini chips. Sweet, I like it. So let me get the cheese. Okay, so I'm gonna put the coarse shredder on here. We're gonna put the cheese in. This is some mild cheddar. Is that what that is?
Yeah, it's mild cheddar.
We'll let it rip.
Oh!
Sweet. I like it. Awesome. It's doing a great job. We're just shredding a small amount for Eric. For in the morning, he uses it in his little omelets in the morning. Sweet.
I want some slices because I'm hungry.
So here is our shredded cheddar cheese. Look at that. Did a great job.
And the best part, no sawdust.
Yeah, no sawdust. One of the things about when you buy cheese in the bag in the grocery store, to keep it from clumping, they add basically sawdust. They add cellulose, wood pulp, basically to that. When you buy a block of cheese and you grate it with a grater like this, you're getting fresh cheese. You're not getting that sawdust. So it melts better. It is better. It's better for you. Who wants to eat sawdust, right? And you're paying for that. So look at that. I think this thing did a great job. A lot of times you see a lot of mangling on things, and this is really nice and separated. It did a fantastic job.
I'd eat it.
Yeah, I know you will. So I think the Gvode slicer shredder did a great job. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Gvode for sending us this. And I really enjoyed using it. It did a fantastic job. We have shredded cheese. We have sliced zucchini. I'm going to cook this up. I'm going to actually eat that for breakfast. And we're going to make a little bit of zucchini bread out of this. It's going to be delicious. So for the giveaway, the links to this will be down in the description. So take a look at this. This is a really cool slicer. I really enjoyed using it. So thank you once again. And let's get to the giveaway. So for the giveaway, the winner will be getting this very slicer shredder sent to them. This is pretty cool to use on your KitchenAid mixer. So the rules, you have to live in the continental United States. Unfortunately, I can't ship it out of the United States because the shipping would be too expensive. Probably also to Hawaii and Alaska would be too expensive too. So you have to live in the continental United States. You have to leave your comment down below by 5 p.m. tomorrow, which is Tuesday, December 15th, 2020. That's 5 p.m. Eastern time, right? Leave a comment down below, and I'm going to take all the names of the people who leave a comment. I'm going to put them into a randomizer, a web-based randomizer, probably random.org or .com or whatever it is, and it is going to choose the winner. So I'm not going to be choosing the winner. The randomizer is going to be choosing the winner. And then I will announce the winner on What's Up Wednesday this week, on Wednesday. So the winner has to be willing to give me their shipping address, obviously, so I can ship this to them. And I don't know, maybe I can get Eric to wrap it up as a little gift, right? You'll get to see Eric's famous wrapping skills.
How much duct tape do we have left?
I'll make sure it doesn't have any duct tape on it.
Degree of difficulty.
So leave a comment down below by tomorrow, Tuesday, December 15th, 2020 at 5 p.m. Eastern Time if you would like to get in on the giveaway. And I will be choosing a winner by the randomizer and announcing it on What's Up Wednesday tomorrow. So good luck. Thank you once again to Gvode for sending these. I think this is really cool. We have a couple other attachments from them coming up, also with giveaways, so stay tuned for that as well. Links for this will be down in the description. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe below. Don't forget to hit that bell so you'll get notified of our uploads. You can also visit my website to get all my recipes at amylearnstocook.com and catch me in my Facebook group, facebook.com/groups/amylearnstocook. You can also catch me on social media at Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cookin' with Amy. Good luck, everybody, on the giveaway for the Slicer Shredder.